Hello viewers, welcome to your own channel Creative Homeschooling. So today in this lesson we are going to talk about these four words that are some and any, many and much. Okay, they are a bit confusing. So today in this lesson we are going to know the guidelines where to use them. Okay, so without any delay, let's start the video. Like you see here, I wrote, have you lost blank rings? Aditya had blank foods. Okay, so have you lost any rings? So I'm going to talk about that. Aditya had some foods. Why I use any here and why I use some here? So both these words, some and any, means a certain quantity that are used before plural or uncountable nouns. Okay, some is used for positive, okay, and any is used for questions and negative sentences. Okay, that's why I use any here. Okay, have you lost any rings? Like you can say, I have some books, I have some money, I have some water. Okay, so we use some like this. For any, we can say in a negative and question sentences like, I don't have any magazines because I'm not going to buy magazines, so I don't have any magazines. So if I ask, do we have any magazine? Also we are going to use for question, means for requesting, would you like some coffee, would you like some tea, yes or no? Now coming to many, much. Many is used to describe countable nouns, okay, and much is used to describe uncountable nouns. Okay, so many, you can say many eggs, much we can say sugar. Okay, so here we are going to use it. Okay, Pritam has, what we are going to write here, friends. We can calculate how many friends you have, yes or no? So that's why we use many here. Okay, I don't have blank strength after my illness, so I don't have much strength. Okay, so I can't say how much strength. Okay, that's why I don't have much strength after my illness. Okay, so we are providing worksheet. Okay, so worksheet on some, any and many, much is available. Please contact. Okay, thank you so much. So worksheet time. She hasn't got blank friends, any or some. Which one we are going to write here? Yes, any. I didn't do blank work today, much or many. So much. She didn't eat blank food. So what we are going to use here, many or much? Much. There aren't blank trees in the garden, many or much? Many. Now coming to last one, I haven't read blank books. So you are going to tell me the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe with your family and friends.